Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check FedEx account number. Well, I'm going to show you three ways from where you can just find it. First of all, you have to just go to Google and go to FedEx website here, right? And you have to make an account, which is very important, right? And on the top right, you will get an option of sign up or login. So you have to log in this account. If you don't made your account, then you have to make an account to get your account number, of course. And while for the latest user, for the new user, if you don't add your payment details, then they will not show you your account number. To see your your account number, you need to log in or basically give them your payment details. Now here, these are the four ways. First of all, you have to log in into your FedEx account on the FedEx website. As I told you, go to my profile section and select management. So let me show you. Let me just log in a second. So guys, I have logged in into my FedEx account. See here, you have to click here and then you have to go to my profile section. Once you're inside your my profile section, on the left side, you will see a lot of option. As you can see here, account management. So you have to click on account management. Inside the account management, it will take a very few seconds to load it, and after that it will show your account number, but it will only show if you have provided them your payment details. As you can see here, I haven't provided my payment details. That's why I'm not getting option, and here it says open an account, right? Here you can also see you currently do not have an account associated with your fedex.com profile. Click the link below if you want to link add your accounts, right? So it's the same thing what I'm trying to say you. Now the second thing, that basically the third option where you can find your account number, your FedEx account number, which is a 9-digit number, will be displayed basically on the invoices, right? So you can just go to the online portal or somewhere from the invoices, right, or which you have paid for the delivery. Right from there you can just get your account number. So this is it guys, I hope you found this very useful. Subscribe.